Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture. In today's video, we would like to write a program that assigns true or false to a variable and prints it. To do that, we learned how to declare a variable. So here I'm declaring a variable is underscore student and I'm assigning true to it. Okay, and I'm basically printing out this variable using the print keyword. So let me run the code. So when I run the code, I see true in the output. I could have, for example, uh, is young equal false. And now here I am assigning a variable that is called, I'm declaring a variable that is called is young, and I'm assigning false to is young, meaning that it's not young, for example, or the person is not young. And using the print keyword, I'm printing out this variable. This could be y, this could be x, for example, this could be x. It's just the name that we give to our variable. So when I run the code, it's false. We see how we can declare and initialize a variable and assign true or false to it and print its value in the terminal in the output. This is how we can start working with uh, Booleans in Python. Thank you for watching.